7 fashion hacks for perfect man for 2020. At the end of the day, everyone is attracted to a certain extent. However, it is up to you to make yourself look even better. You need to go the next step to boost your appearance through grooming, fashion, and personality. I want to make your lives even easier. I'm going to give you 7 fashion hacks that will make you look even more attractive. As I say all the time, women will notice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching, guys. The very first one is take care of your clothes. Your clothes should be treated properly. For example, whenever you buy a new pair of shoes, you always take proper precautions so you don't get them dirty. Well, you need to do this with every piece of cloth you have. Make sure you don't get stains on them. And make sure your clothes are always looking clean. In addition to this, always check the inside tag on your clothes to see the proper way to wash them. This is the perfect way to keep your clothes looking new all the time. Make sure your shirt collar is crisp. Whenever you dress up, you need to keep this hack in mind. Your shirt collar is always flopping around and it sometimes just misses. Well, you can actually take double-sided tape and tape your shirt collar. This will ensure that your collar is not going to move around and that you will look like a million bucks. A sharp collar goes a long ways, guys. Roll up your sleeves properly. Dressing up is one problem that some guys have. In addition to that shirt collar hack previously mentioned, utilize this one as well. The correct way to roll up your sleeves is to do one big roll to the middle of your forearm and then do a half roll to a little above your elbow. This is what will look the best and will give you the best forearm definition. You all know by now, women cannot resist nice forearms. Have a power tie. We recommend having several different ties on hand, but if you only want one or two, go for darker color with patterns or a solid color. It will work well with anything you match it with, and this includes busier or brighter patterns. It lets you dress it down by adding a leather jacket over your dress shirt, so it's a versatile as well. Match your belt with your outfit. A woman always pay attention to a guy's outfit. Whenever you wear a belt, make sure to match it with the rest of your outfit. If your belt matches your pants correctly, there won't be any interruption within your outfit. This will not only show women that you know style, but it will also give you the illusion that you are taller than you actually are. Match your socks properly. Yes, your socks are mostly hidden for view, as it's rare that anyone will see more than a flash of them as you go about. But that small flash can undo all of your fashion conscious effort. Pick out socks that complement what you normally wear, whether it's in everyday life or at the office. Swap hair gel for moisturizer. Gel works wonders for helping you style your perfect hairstyle, but it comes with two pitfalls. It's very easy to use too much and get hair that feels crunchy and looks unnatural. Gel can also strip your hairs of natural oils, leaving you with a dry damaged mess. Swap it out for hand or face moisturizer. It will still give you styling help and holding power while protecting your hair's natural oils.